Hello, welcome, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little video. It's a sound demo video, it's to accompany my Etsy listing and to allow you to come along and have a little listen. So, we have a beautiful 24-inch buffalo skin shamanic drum. It's on an ashwood frame. If I turn it over, you can see we've got a beautiful branch handle. It's a silver birch branch handle on the back here. It's laced with artificial sinew. I put some information on the inside of the frame. Put the star sign symbol for Scorpio. I put buffalo and beechwood, sorry, it's not ashwood, beechwood. Birthed on the 5th of November 2025 in Knighton, Powys, UK. And I put my maker's mark on there as well, Driftwood Hollow Drums. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater, and both of those are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this to be your drum. So let's have a little play, see what she sounds like. Beautiful, lovely, long resonance, as you would expect, and a very deep tone, obviously. So this is a softer beater. Gorgeous. Seem to be plagued by aircraft today. Lots of noisy aeroplanes flying over, and it's quite windy as well, so lots of obstacles for us to get a good clear sound, but hopefully the microphones pick that up lovely. Okay, so I hope the video helps you to make a more informed decision anyway when you're coming to choose online, which is always tricky. My name's Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.